My channel, and today I'm going to do my first cooking and crafting video, and I'm basically making a salad. It's really easy and simple, and you don't need a lot of ingredients for it, so let's get to it. Okay, so for this you're going to need a spatula, a bowl, mayonnaise, grounded black pepper, grounded white pepper, salt, bell peppers, onions. Like you can find a mix of these, but it's basically cabbage, red cabbage, lettuce, onions, and carrots, and tomatoes. So you're gonna need half of a small onion, 1 green bell pepper. The mix, usually this is around 248 grams to 64 ml. So it's basically, you can say you don't need to use the whole pack too, but this is how much I'm going to be using in. And 1 tomato. So we're gonna get started. So you want to move all the stuff out of the side. Okay, so I took my bowl and I'm gonna start by adding all my vegetables. I'm gonna add my onions. Then I'm gonna add all my tomatoes. And then I'm going to add my salad mix. Then I'm going to add my green peppers. Okay. Then I'm going to mix all the ingredients that I have in so far. Just hope you guys can see it. So it's not like a hard recipe. You just don't even need a lot of ingredients too. So I'm just mix it in. Then I'm gonna add in a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. You don't need too much salt on this. It's not really like a salt type recipe. Then I'm gonna just shake some of the white pepper on here. Now it's just like a pinch, not a lot. Then I'm going to just put a little bit, so not a lot of this. And that's all. Now you can obviously add more, like I feel like I need a bit more of this. White pepper is an important ingredient. It's one of the most important ingredients. Then I'm going to add in my mayonnaise. And so you need around 1 to 2 cups of this. You put a lot of it in here. I'm using this already in the bottle ones because I could not find one in a jar. I'm going to keep on adding it in. I'm going to put a bit at a time so I don't add too much. And it makes the your salad really creamy. So my salad's already starting to look creamy, but I don't think you need to make it really, like it's not even a little bit. It's like my dressing for my salad. Add even more in. I don't really use measuring cups because like with this recipe, sometimes you might be able to put too much of this and it gets too creamy, or too less of it and it's not creamy enough. So I just like to put enough to how I like it creamy because, oopsie, not everybody likes it really creamy. Like I don't like it really creamy. So I'm gonna add in. You may have to add more than the amount that I told you guys, depending on what you like. And keep on mixing until it gets creamy enough. Now, as you see, it's semi-creamy. I feel like it'll get creamier, and I like it a bit more creamier, but it's almost ready. You can taste it, and if you feel like you never put enough salt, and you never put enough pepper, you can just put more, because everybody has different flavors, like taste flavors and everything. So we're going to add some more. And we're gonna add a lot. Usually, I go through like 1/4 to a half of this bottle, but I don't go through a lot actually, because this bottle has a lot. I don't know, like I never use too much of it. So you see, it's almost done. I'm gonna just add a bit more, and then I will get my extremely nice salad. It's really quick. It's simple. It hardly takes you that long to make. I feel like it's a really good last-minute thing when people are coming over and you get a salad ready. I feel like it's the easiest because there's not a lot of like ingredients to it, and it's really easy to make. it hardly takes any time. And we're done, I think. So I feel like this is a really good recipe, and it tastes really good. So now I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna clean up a bit, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I cleaned up the place, and my last ingredient. Now you don't have to add it, but I like adding a bit of feta cheese. Like you don't have to. This is like an add-on. I just like cheese in my salads. So I'm gonna add all that feta cheese. That went everywhere, but I'm gonna add it all in. And it just gives a nice cheesy flavor in salad. Oh gosh, that did go flying. But that's it. That's your recipe. It's really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. And watch my other videos. Watch my first crafting video. And tell me what you want to see next, because I will try to do it. Thanks for watching. Bye!